Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm making a very easy and quick recipe. It's Dhaba style mash dal. It goes really well with roti and achar. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make Dhaba style mash dal, we need 1 cup boiled urad dal, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 green chilli slit, 2 tomatoes puree. The spices are 1 teaspoon red chillies, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon each of garam masala, turmeric, cumin powder and salt. First of all, take a pan and add some oil in it. Put it on medium flame. Next, I'm adding green chillies and ginger garlic paste. And then 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Saute it for a few minutes. And then add tomato puree. So I use 2 tomatoes to make the puree of it. Cook it for a few minutes. At this point, I'm going to add in all these spices and cook for 1 minute. I'm also going to add chicken powder, so 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. As you can see that masala has thickened and the oil has separated. At this point, I'm going to add 1 cup boiled mash dal. I'm also adding a bit of water and then I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes and now I'm going to add kasuri methi. This gives a nice aroma to dal. And after that, I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. And lastly, I'm going to garnish it with fresh coriander and mint. Guys, seriously, this smells so yummy. You must give it a go. This is an authentic recipe of Dhaba style dal. And leave your feedback below.